What is up, everybody? In today's video, we are going to fix if our Facebook application is not opening up on our Android or iOS device. So let me just go over and follow up these simplest solutions, and you should be getting your app working again. So let's get started. So we can start by a very simple fix, which is restarting our phone. Hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option on your screen and tap on it. And that should often resolve the temporary glitches. Also check your internet connection, so go over and access your quick settings panel, and from there look out for the network that you're connected to or the mobile data that you're connected to, and make sure that you have a very strong stable internet, and you can try using it by connecting it or trying it on other applications or website. If you're on Android device, you can even force close the application from your device's settings and again reopen the app. So find Facebook for that, hold it up, and go to the app info at the top. After you go ahead and access it, you may just go over and scroll down or look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner directly. After that, once you find it up, tap on it and you can tap on OK. And once it is confirmed, you can just go over and close it up and try opening up the Facebook application again on your device and see if it fixes the issue. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and clear the cache and data for the application. So go to your device's settings for that. And then once you go to your device's settings, you need to go over and scroll down and find the option for apps and tap on it. And once you go over and select the apps, look out for the Facebook application here. So search for Facebook and tap on it. And once you tap on Facebook, what you may do is look out for the option of storage and look out for the option of clear cache. If that does not work, you can also clear the data, but you will need to have to log in back if you do so. Apart from that, update the application. Not using the latest version also can cause such kind of issues. So go to Play Store for that. And once you go to Play Store, look out for the search and just go over and search for the Facebook app here. And once you find it up, look out for the update. If there is any kind of update available, tap on it and install the latest version of the application. And that should probably work it out. If not, this as well, sometimes not freeing up storage, or if your device's storage is full, it can cause the app to crash. So I can just go over and delete the unused applications or large files to free up the space. So that is it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow up in order to fix it. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe and also comment if you have got any questions, and thank you for watching our video.